So here we have a plain MDF tabletop, and it is fully cleaned, fully primed with the appropriate primer. Got my product cut to size, and this one I've added approximately 150ml all the way around. Position that centrally. Nice, firm, equal squeegee strokes, overlapping squeegee strokes. Through. Really taking care to cover every single part. And then to the heat gun. So here I am just wanting to soften the material, relax it down to take on the shape of that curved edge. And you can see it really does take quite a lot of heat to be able to bring it down, roll around and underneath. The darker colours especially do take heat quite quickly. So it really is just a case of patiently warming, relaxing, smoothing down and around. Any of you guys who are currently doing vehicle wrapping, you will approach it to start off with thinking, well, how hard can it be? If you can vehicle wrap, you can definitely do this. But these products, depending on the pattern, are generally between 200 and 300 microns thick. Therefore, the main thing you have to get used to is the fact that it's a much thicker product. Once you've got used to that, you really will just fly with it. And of course, rather than being in a garage, you will be in a nice warm hotel or office block, because ultimately, or wine bar, because ultimately there's very, very few environments where these products can't be used. Products really are so strong and durable, absolutely perfect for countertops, walls, high traffic areas. And for those of you who are vehicle wrappers and from the signage trade, you do know already all about the bubble-free adhesives, which these products have got for that added ease of installation. Should it go wrong, and you want to iron it out, again, very, very similar to the majority of the vinyls in the industry, you can apply a little bit of heat, rescue it, and then it allows you to go forward with your installation. Products are fully fire tested as well, which obviously is a very important aspect, which should you be installing these in large public areas, you'll find that the facilities managers are going to want to know that, and we do have all of those certificates available for you. And as I touched on, it does go externally some of the range, so if you need that extra UV resistance, then you can get a 10-year life product as well for outside. Alternatively, standard ranges, you're looking at 12-year durability. So now, got that bit done, we'll go underneath, start finishing those edges off. So because we've actually warmed and stretched this down and around, it's not advisable to trim this flush with this edge. We need now to take it around, smooth it all out, a good 10mm, and then trim it and finish it. But of course, it's not always that easy to do it from the underneath, so if you can take it and turn it over, all the better. Because this area has been stretched, we'd always recommend applying a strip of vinyl over it to anchor the material in place. And don't forget to prime between the layers.